Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will present about the result of Boeing Quality Control Failure Case for Final Project Business Communication course. And our group consists me, Rezio, and Philip, Jonathan, and Nathan. And let me start by highlighting the critical issues that occur in this case. So first, quality control failure. We have a quality control missing bolts were found on the door plug of airplane. And what is concerning that the plane operate for 10 weeks and across 153 flights before this was detected. And the second is inspection gaps became evident when other aircraft were inspected post-incident, revealing loose bolts on multiple planes. And this indicates that the problem was not isolated one. And the third is corporate accountability, was addressed by Boeing CEO Dave Calhoun, who admit to systemic lapse in their manufacturing process. And next, the alternative, and to address this issue, we propose three key alternatives. So for the first, enhancing quality control procedure by introducing AI and automation in the assembly verification process, we can significantly reduce human error. And additionally, advanced training program for quality inspectors will ensure they are better equipped to detect, prevent such lapse, crisis accountability measures. And
Now, the transfer Boeing must work closely with regulators and customers, providing full disclosure of issues and improvements. Conducting both internal and third-party audits will help identify and address systemic flaws. And public confidence campaign. Investing in customer assurance programs is essential to rebuild trust. By openly communicating safety improvements, we can reinforce Boeing's commitment to the highest standards. And the best solution is integrated safety overhaul program, upgrade manufacturing process and protocols, maintain transparency to regular updates, partner with airlines to ensure customer via compensation and safety guarantees, and also comprehensive approach addressing all critical issues. Next. Now is the root cause analysis. The first root cause is breakdown in quality assurance, especially there were inadequate checks during the assembly and inspection process. Critical components such as the bolts need to secure the door plugs were missing during production. This points to gaps in our standardized inspection procedures. Overcooked manufacturing defects. These bolts were not only missing from the affected aircraft, but loose bolts were found during subsequent inspection of other Boeing 737 MAX 9 planes. This is evidence of a systemic flaws in our quality control process. Next, let's discuss the role of organizational oversight in this crisis. Weak implementation of safety protocols despite decades of safety standards and process. This incident revealed that these protocols were either poorly implemented or inconsistently enforced. Failure to detect missing components. The fact that an aircraft missing critical bolts could complete 153 flights without detection demonstrate a serious gap in accountability within our manufacturing and inspection teams. The third key issue is communicating gaps, which worse than the impact of the crisis. Lack of proactive disclosure. When the issues was identified, there was no immediate internal escalation to investigate similar risks across the fleet. This delayed the timely response both to regulators to the public. Delay customer-facing actions. While apologies were eventually issued, we failed to act swiftly enough to reassure customers and stakeholders that Boeing was taking full responsibility. This created a perception of evasion rather than accountability.
So for the social media strategy plan, we've chosen 4 strategies as our primary social media strategy. The first one is official statements, where we plan to post a video message of our CEO on social media. The second strategy is real-time updates, where we would share progress of investigations in transparent infographics. We also plan to launch safety assurance campaigns, where we would share behind-the-scenes content on Boeing's facilities through various platforms. Lastly, we would open social listening channels and to hear public opinions through our engagement strategy campaign. Next.
Next is the conclusion. The cost of elimination. Boeing must overhaul its quality control and inspection process to eliminate manufacturing defects. A zero tolerance policy for defects will ensure safety is prioritized at every step. And the crisis accountability. Transparency is crucial during crisis. Boeing must work openly with regulators, taking full responsibility and demonstrating a commitment to resolving issues swiftly and responsibly. Next is rebuilding public trust. A clear and consistent communication strategy is essential to rebuild public confidence. Boeing must back its words with visible action that reflect its renewed focus on safety reliability. And next is the final recommendation. We propose launching Operation Integrity, a comprehensive program focused on zero tolerance for defects, prioritizing safety over operational goals, open communication, and visible action to restore trust. By implementing this, Boeing can rebuild its reputation and ensure long-term success. That's all our presentation. Thank you for listening.